Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty spiced potato balls known as Kachori in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So on today's ingredients, you're going to need 6 large potatoes cut into pieces. Then you're also going to need some salt to taste, a half a cup of wheat flour, some water, 1 lime or you can use lemon, 1 teaspoon of crushed green chilies, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and lastly 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So the first step, you're going to place the potatoes in a medium heat, then cover and boil the potatoes until they become soft. Meanwhile, while the potatoes are boiling, we're going to make our flour paste. In a bowl which has the wheat flour, you're going to add some salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and give a quick mix. Then lastly, pour some water. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing till everything is nicely combined until you get a medium thick paste. So after approximately 15 to 20 minutes, my potatoes are nicely boiled and very soft and I've already drained the water. Then sprinkle some salts. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of crushed green chilies. And lastly, squeeze some lime or you can use some lemon juice. Using a potato masher, you're going to mash the potatoes until they're nicely mashed. Once you're done mashing the potatoes, you're going to shape your potato balls. Take small amounts and shape the potatoes into round balls as you can see in the video and place them on a plate. Continue shaping your kachoris or your potato balls until you're completely done. And I'm done shaping my kachoris as you can see in the video, and it's high time to deep fry them in the oil. Dip the kachoris in the flour paste and nicely cut the kachoris as you can see in the video before deep frying them in the oil. So the next step, you're going to pour some oil in a pan and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, you're going to dip the kachoris and deep fry them on a medium heat for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. After approximately 2 to 3 minutes, your kachoris are ready. Remove them from the oil and place them aside on a plate. And our tasty spiced kachoris are ready as you can see in the video. I'm going to cut one so you can able to see how the inside look. Like these kachoris are so tasty and well spiced. You can eat along with some chutney sauce or tamarind sauce and enjoy your kachoris. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.